2019 Subaru Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: lane departure warning, stability control, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, traction control, backup camera, all-wheel drive, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, floor mats, AM/FM stereo radio, climate control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.